Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jerry Mendoza. Ngayon gagawa tayo ng chicken balls with peachay. So ayan, naghiwa ako ng tofu and meron akong ground pork. We'll mix that. So I'll put all the ingredients and then show you. This is the chicken powder. Put some chicken powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, and pepper, another small spoon of pepper. Anyway, you can adjust, and garlic powder. You can adjust as much as you want, but for 2 pounds of ground pork, I use 2 spoon of ground garlic and 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper and sesame oil and 1 spoon of oyster sauce. And let's put some corn flour, so just to make it incorporate, or so you have more thickness of your ground pork. And then now let's mix it. We'll put also one egg for this, 1 whole egg, just to make a taste, and now you can see how you incorporate this ground pork balls with peachay, and I'll show you all the ingredients at the end of the cooking. So now we'll put 1 egg, we'll mix it and just incorporate this thing, yes. So it will make more taste and on the thing on there. Thank you very much for watching, and this is Jerry Mendoza. And we'll see all this mix of pork and ground pork and tofu. So for the tofu, I use the firm tofu. So you can buy tofu anywhere, and then we just do like this, just to make round balls, Yeah. At the same time, we'll make it incorporate all this ingredient. So just make it something like that, and then we'll fry it on the cooking oil, and then we'll make it as a soup. You can make this also fry and make chicken balls as a frying, and then put some sauce, on the top if you want, What I do is when I fry this, I just mix the soy sauce, a little bit soy sauce and oyster sauce, and put it on the fry chicken balls. So I'll put like this, and then it will make you more taste. And thank you for watching. Please tell me which country you're watching, so just make a comment on below, so we can see how I'm doing this cooking. So make it all this round. You can round it on your palm if you want, just make it more round. Anyway, we'll roll it in the ground in a cook what was that in a powder, in a flour powder. Now let's start cooking, and then we'll put some garlic and onion and a little bit of sliced ginger. So we just saute everything, and then we'll put some patis and a little bit of soy sauce, so it will be more taste. Yes. Then we'll put some water, the hot water for the soup. Just pour it some hot water, and then we'll put some a little bit of chicken powder, so you'll get more taste. Yeah. So we'll put some a spoon of chicken powder. We'll just mix it and let it boil for a little while, and then we'll put the chicken balls on it. Now let's start put the chicken balls. So as you can see, I just roll it with the flour and drop it on the soup. Now let's put the peachay, and it will be more taste, and boil it for another 2 minutes.